G'day, how you going? I'm not going to talk about the camera today. I thought I'd take a break. I went and bought myself a drone, one of those Mavic Mini drones. Don't worry, I'm not going to make B-roll and bore the shit out of everyone. So I just thought I'd test it out, took it out to the park and have a little bit of fun with it. It's pretty advanced actually, I was surprised. That's it there, the camera's there, it's got its own little gimbal and everything, so it takes really good photos actually. So I thought I'd take it out and I'll show you. No, you don't film like that.
How?
Are you going to look back on your phone, are you?
Film horizontally.
Take a photo.
Watch your head.
Stop looking at your phone. You have to though.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, now let's start recording. Okay, now this is recording. That's the three amigos.
Go for a longer picture.
You can't see shit with the glare.
Oh,
You can put the gimbal. So that's the gimbal.
is that the stability?
Gimbal's up. That's yeah. Go like that.
Six one going down. 6-1 going down. 6-1 is going down. He is going down. Number 6-1 is going down. 6-1 is going down. Number 6-1 is going down.
You can't see the glare.
No, you can't. You gotta then physically watch it. It's going to, eh?
Yeah, that's scary. You get scared.
Yeah, yeah, I know, but if you're physically...
Yeah, I've lost it.
Why am I just recording this drone?
Now let's go like this. Let's go all the way down the gimbal, and then everyone stand here. That's to the wind. Yeah. Right, you can see my bald head. Okay.
Nice.
Alright. So how far does it go? I don't know.
You can't do it. Oh, that's pretty high.
Shit, that's why you get scared.
Why?
I don't know, I just get scared.
You think it's gonna drop?
No, you just think you're gonna lose it.
Oh.
Oh wow, look at this. You check, it's like the whole of Smithfield.
It's just really trial and error. And then watch it back later on the video, like on the...
Film that. Well, that's filming us anyway.
Film each other.
Alright, so let's see.